Hey everybody, let's talk about reading skills 3 and 4 for Unit 3. Reading skill 3 is about point of view, identifying sarcasm, satire, and sincerity. So here are the steps that you would need to take in order to be successful for this reading skill. First, you want to read through the text in its entirety. You want to focus especially on the narrator or a specific main character. Find an instance where they're ironic, which means they are using sarcasm in what they're saying, or there's irony in what they're doing. On the other hand, you can also find sincerity, where they're being genuine and doing what they meant to do or saying what they meant to say. After you've identified one of these instances, then you're going to explain how that shapes the character's point of view based on what they're describing. So the district question reads as follows. How does this narrator view and speak about the events, ideas, and people in the story with sincerity, irony, sarcasm, other? So the question is asking us, how does that character specifically view and speak about things? With irony or sincerity or with sarcasm? Remember, sarcasm is just a form of irony. So you are looking at characters and how they feel about things and being able to support if they're being genuine and sincere or ironic and sarcastic. Those are your two options, and you, of course, have to defend your answer. Let's look at the next reading skill. Reading skill 4 of Unit 3 is about diverse formats. The first thing you want to do is read the written version in its entirety. Then you're going to watch the film version or diverse format, which is going to be a small clip in this sense. You want to make note of similarities and differences that you see between the two. Explain why you believe differences were made or similarities were kept the same. What does that tell us about the two different interpretations and their point of view? Why do you think they changed something? What was the overall message? And then finally, you need to evaluate which interpretation is most effective and explain using evidence. You have to use evidence when we're evaluating something and making a judgment as to which is most effective and why. We have to include evidence. The district question reads as follows. How do these interpretations compare in their treatment of the same source text? So you want to talk about some similarities, some differences, and then make your judgment which is most effective and explain why using textual evidence. Hope this helps.